What is up, YouTubers, and welcome to another K5 adventure. Due to the coronavirus, we are stuck at home. Our county's shut down for the next 2 weeks and possibly more. But this is our, what day is this? Wednesday. I'm losing track of the days. We've been in the house for so long. Been in the house ever since Friday, and today is Wednesday. So we've been stuck in the house for 5 days, and all we've been doing is eat, and eat, and then eat some more. But anyhow, today's adventure is turkey. My wife is making a 20-pound turkey for dinner. I think it's gonna last us more than for dinner. So we're gonna be eating this for the next couple days. But stick around and follow our journey of making this turkey. Alright guys, so I know that there's a lot of ways and methods to brining and marinating the turkey. So this is just our way of doing it.
1 cup of salt that I use hot water to dissolve. I'm gonna pour it into my clean container bucket, and I'm gonna have a lid with it. So once this is dissolved, I'm gonna pour it in there. And then I'm gonna put the turkey in. I'm gonna add 3 full onions, different sizes, 6 bay leaves. Bay leaves, you can get it anywhere. And then there's half of this perfect pin of Cajun seasoning. I find that it's just easy. Last time I did it, I used half of this, so I'm gonna use the remaining half. It's just the McCormick Cajun. And then that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let it marinate for 24 hours. Cooking the turkey. This is a what? It's a 20.15 pound turkey that I basically have been defrosting for, I guess, 3 days. This is the dissolved salt. So I'm gonna pour this in.
Just cold water, 1.5 liters of cold water. That's going in to the bucket.
Dissolve this in here.
That's the dissolved
Salt.
salt from earlier.
Some salt in here still,
So we're gonna brine the turkey overnight.
And this should go in the fridge, but right now we don't have any room in the fridge. So I'm gonna put the 6 bay leaves.
It's still cold enough outside
There's 6 cold,
here in Pennsylvania.
6 bay leaves. And hold on, I need to get ice.
You don't need to cut the onion?
No, the onion just leaves it. Cool. I want to put ice in. A whole tub of
More cold water.
basically fill it up.
Adding cold water to the brim. Alright, so we forgot to
The
add,
Cajun. So I'm just gonna pour it in over the turkey.
what is that, half? Half of that container?
Yeah, that was half.
Of what is that, 4
It's,
ounces?
It's 3.18 ounce of the Cajun, McCormick Cajun.
So half a bottle of this.
Just eyeball it. Just gonna put saran wrap over it. And then close it up. So make sure it's airtight though. This is an airtight cream container that I actually got.
Can you try to shake it a little bit? Alright, so I brought the turkey container back in from the garage. It's been sitting out in the garage for about 24 hours. But I got the lid open and the sink has been cleaned and sanitized. What we're gonna do is, like I said, pour all the brine water out just get the turkey, and then we're gonna rinse the turkey, let it dry, and then they'll be ready for baking.
Cold water. Rinsing it with all the brine juice and all the cayenne seasoning overnight. Take this out. We don't use it. We don't like to cook it with the plastic in it. And as a final rub, you can smell the Cajun seasoning. Unfortunately, you guys can't smell it over the TV on the video, but here you can smell it's fragrant. It's very moist looking, and I'm just gonna do a final salt rub. It's about a cup of salt. Just sprinkle it all over. Then I'm gonna just rub it down one last time to get any grime, any kind of slime on it off. Just rub it all over. Get inside, under the skin.
All right, so now we let the turkey sit and dry for a little bit before we put it in the oven. All right, so now that the turkey has dried, we are putting, what is this now?
Lard.
Lard, fat, stuffing it under the skin of the turkey. Preheating the oven to 375, and then we're gonna put the turkey in. We have the turkey here, 20 pounds. We're gonna put the foil on top so it doesn't get burnt. And now the oven is at 375, and we're gonna put the turkey in there, into the oven. Turkey now is in the oven. We just put the turkey in the oven for 375. We're gonna keep it in the oven for about half an hour. Then we're gonna increase the time to 425 after half an hour, and leave it in there for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Okay, so it's been half an hour at 375. Now we've increased the temperature to 425. And we're gonna cook the turkey at 425 for an hour and a half. All right, so after an hour and a half, now we are going to remove the foil. And then we're gonna cook it for another 45 minutes to an hour at the same temperature of 425. In the oven for another 45 minutes at 425. After 15 minutes, whoa! Of this, we are going to, after 15 minutes, we are going to remove this because the wing gets burnt easily. So we don't want the wings to get burnt. And we're going to try to remove the foil now from the wing. So the wings is still a little bit white, but it's all right. Now we're gonna put it in, and we're gonna change the temperature up to as well. We just had a little smoke detector issue with all the smoke coming out of the oven, but all is well. So now we've just took the foil off of the wings so that it can get a little color now. We increase the baking temperature, the temperature up to 500, and we're trying to cook it at that for another 15 minutes to try to get the wings golden. Alright, here it is, all done. Now we're gonna pull it out. We just had a second fire alarm go off because of this thing, but all is well. All right, carving up the turkey. You're excited, Mr. Croissant?
Yeah. I'm hungry. I'm looking at the turkey.
We're sending some of this off to our friends, to our kids' godparents. Anthony Shondin, shout out to his channel. You guys haven't gotten a chance to take a look at his, check out his channel as well. I'll list his, I'll put his link, the link to his channel down below for you guys.
Taste, look how moist that is.
Mm-hmm. Can't wait to eat some of that. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. All right, green bean casserole. Mash. Mac and cheese. Gravy, of course. Some corn. Stuffing. It's dinner time. We're basically having Thanksgiving dinner in March. Thank you for following another K5 adventure. Be safe out there, you guys. Take care. Until next time. See ya.